Are you hungry? Would you like a taco salad tonight? Recently, we've decided that we need to eat a little bit better, and we considered keto. But really all we're going to do is like a low carb type of diet, most of the time anyway. Tonight, I thought we would make a taco salad without the taco shells. But wait until I finish to see exactly how I pull this together. It's all the makings of a taco, but in a bowl. So we're gonna make a healthy version taco salad. And this is how I do it. Quick and easy, because I don't have a lot of time and I don't work in a big kitchen. So here we go. First thing we need to do is get this meat browning. Got a hot griddle back here. Oh, I should have put a little olive oil down there so it doesn't stick so bad. Let's do that now. Perfect. All right, now we just break it up. All right, so 80-20 is the beef percentage that I got. And we're gonna let that cook for a little while and brown. And while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna make a little dressing for the salad, all right? That consists of some salsa, some sour cream, and a little bit of taco seasoning. I have some taco seasoning from the store. It's nothing special, all the standard. It's just easier this way. I could go get the paprika, the garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, all the different things that go into a taco seasoning, but it's just easier to buy this and mix it together to make a little dressing, or in this case, season up some meat for our taco salad. Okay, I need a little bowl. Little bowl. All right, so what we're gonna do is about 1/3 of a cup salsa. All right, a couple spoonfuls, that's probably about 1/3 of a cup. Same thing with the sour cream. Again, you want about 1/3 of a cup. And then a little bit of your taco seasoning. A couple pinches of that. Stir it all together. Try not to make a mess. So now it's a little loose, like a dressing. And we'll just set that aside a little bit. So I'm going to put a little corn and black beans in my taco salad. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the corn and I'm going to cook it in the griddle, or I'm cooking it in the pan a little bit, just to heat it up and char it up a little bit. All right, I'm going to get my cast iron pan good and hot. A little bit of oil. Once that's hot, I'll add the corn, give it a nice little sear, heat it up. In the meantime, we're still working on the meat. Back in the pan. Put it back on the heat, keep it low. All right, we're gonna add some of that taco seasoning. All right, we'll sprinkle all this in here. As much or as little seasoning as you want to your liking. A little bit of salsa. All right, put that right in there, a couple tablespoons. Boop. And stir that up in there. Keep that heat, keep breaking up the meat. All right, so. That wasn't as hot as I thought it was gonna be. I was kind of hoping to get it charred, a little bit seared. All right, well, we're gonna have to let that go. All right, so while we're waiting for that to heat up, let's get a little bit of lettuce ready. You want shredded lettuce. All right. Boop. All right. And then just slice it thin, straight on down, until it falls over into shredded pieces of lettuce. See how that happens? Nice and thin, delicate. Have some tomatoes. Ooh-ah! You just want them bite size. If they're a little too big, quarter them. If they're smaller, just half them. All right. Now we got a little bit of that going on. Whoops. That's garbage. Alright. And I wanted to add a little bit of black beans in there. I wanted to heat that up in there with it too. So we're going to add a little bit of black beans. Alright. Now we're cooking. Always season everything. And a little salt and pepper. Stir it around. Ooh, before I forget, I need a little cilantro. So let me get a little bit of this chopped up. A little bit of cilantro in with the corn and beans. Alright, stir it up. Alright, let's assemble the taco salad. So what we first need is a serving bowl. First thing you're going to want to do is put a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of the shredded lettuce on the bottom. Alright, a little nest, if you will. A nest of lettuce. And from there, scoop a little bit of that taco meat right on top like that. Okay. A little bit of the corn and the beans and the cilantro right on top of that. Alright, maybe some of these tomatoes. I wish they were a little bit smaller though. I'm going to cut them a little smaller because I want them a little bit more diced. I want them a little bit more diced. I think they'll work better. Alright, a little bit of tomato on top, just like that. I couldn't find avocado that was ripe, so I bought guacamole. So let's put a little guacamole. I forgot lime juice. Shoot. Hold on a second. Let's do this. A little lime juice. Right on the top. Alright. Now, the dressing. That's what I was forgetting. The dressing that I made earlier. It's not as runny as I wanted it to be. Like a dressing should be. Now, a little dollop of avocado. Where's my sour cream? Ah. A little bit of sour cream. And I got some of this Mexican crumbling cheese, which I'm going to crumble on top. Now you can use cheddar. The Fiesta blend's really good. Actually, I have some of that in there. My wife probably wants that instead of this, but I think this is going to be perfect because it crumbles so nice and it goes with this dish perfectly. All right, and then a little bit of cilantro right on top for color. There you go. All right.
Tortilla strips.
Ooh, yes, thank you. Ha! I got tortilla strips. So since we're not having the taco shells, I got tortilla strips. And I figured I'll just sprinkle a few of these on top. Just like that. And that'll give you the crunchiness of a taco without all the extra unnecessary carbs. Alright, so boom, there you go. Alright, so let's clean up this mess a little bit here. Alright, and with the magic of editing, I have cleaned up the space, and all we're left now with is with the taco salad. It's a very simple dish. I don't know if I conveyed that in the process of making this. Sometimes I look a little frantic. But in the end, it always looks good, and it probably tastes even better. So let's dig in, get some of that taco meat, a little bit of lettuce. Look at that right there, huh? All right. That's so good. And I gotta tell you, I almost forgot the lime. And the lime really makes this come alive. It adds a freshness to it. The meat's great. Everything's in here. The corn, the beans, very, very good. This is a quick middle of the week meal. A lot of the stuff I bought already prepped. Ordinarily I can make my own avocado, but they didn't have any fresh ones. But it's just easier to pick up a few things, and if you add it together right, it tastes beautiful. I love it. Anyway, I don't even know what to call this. Not So Keto taco salad. I love it. Do yourself a favor and make this one night. And then if you do, comment below and let me know how it goes. Anyway, it's dinner time. This was a quick meal. It's awfully warm in this trailer, so I want to turn on the AC. And I want to sit down and enjoy a nice meal with my wife. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, because that always helps me out. Yada, yada, yada. You know all the rest. Check back next time when I have another video, and we'll see you then. Bye. Hi, baby. You want some tacos?